The instructions they give are fill a pot with 3 inches of water, which is, 3 inches about like that. It has to go underneath, it has to go all the way down. And it needs to be in this position, I think. It's my opinion. But I think it needs to be in a vertical position so that the blue doesn't stick to the pan and you can easily manipulate it. Number 2, turn off the heat. Place in the water for only 60 seconds. Number 3, carefully remove with a spoon. I suggest a tongs. Doesn't have to be this tongs, but I think you get it. Number 4, place the Snorple into your mouth and bite down. Number 5, remove your Snorple and rinse. And then repeat if necessary. Okay, so now we have our freshly boiled water and got my tongs and the Snorple. That's so cute. So I'm going to put it in. Alexa, set a timer for 1 minute.
1 minute, starting now.
Yeah. Got the right orientation. And then I'll dip it in here. Okay. This is an excellent product, well made, well designed, high quality materials, and it's safe to use. This is going to be a very good choice.